Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Okio. So this tutorial is going to be on how to achieve this crown auto gele. This is the almighty crown auto gele that I've been waiting for a while, and you guys requested for this. Now I've done it. Please, if you do enjoy this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate and love all of you. And if you want me to do any other tutorial on anything, let me know. Put your question or your comments in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you all. Hoping to see you all in my next one. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all, and I hope you do enjoy this tutorial. Bye. So to start, I'm using this chino material, my scissors, my needle and thread, and this tape to achieve this auto gele crown tutorial. So I'll start by spreading out the material and measure by 60. This material is actually by 60. So I'm going to measure 90 inches length. 90 inches length is what I need for this tutorial, and 8 inches width. That's what I'm going to use. So I will just cut the inches into two equal parts, the 90 inches into two parts. So I'm just trying to combine these two materials together so I can be able to attain the length of inches I want. So I'm just trying to stitch the both halves together to be able to get up to 90 inches. So when I'm through with that, I will measure it and take out the excess parts. So after removing the excess part of the material, I'm sure I've attained my 90 inches length. I will fold the material into two equal parts and start sewing. I will sew it midway, like halfway, the 90 inches, and stop. Then I will take it to the other side of the material and start sewing to meet the middle. Just watch me as I stitch it using my needle and thread. I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm improvising. You can use any kind of material, ashoke, it's your choice, but I chose to use chinos. So I'm just sewing. See what I'm doing? So now the other part, now I will take it from the end to the middle. See what I'm doing? Just watch I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. I'm just doing it continuously. So after I've gotten to the middle, the small part, I'll take a pen and start bringing out the inner part. I'm taking this outer part to the inside and I'm bringing the inner part to the outside. So I'm just, see what I'm doing? I'm just trying to exchange it so that it can be more neater and presentable. See what I'm doing? See? Just pulling it out so that the knitting can look nice. Can look nice. ironed the two parts of my material, the two 90 inches I'm going to use to achieve the crown. So now I'll place this one on top of the other and use a pin to secure it. So pay attention to this part because this is the most critical part of the tutorial. So I'll form a triangle and bend it, slant it towards the edge, towards the end of the other one. Then I'll take the other one and form another triangle. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm forming one triangle and another triangle. See, and you make sure it doesn't go above the edge of the other one. See, it doesn't go outside the edge, and you just keep trying. If you make any error or mistake, you can redo it again. You will surely get it. It's very easy. Just form a triangle. See what I'm doing? You keep doing it continuously, on and on. Form your triangle. I'm forming a triangle. This is just about knowing how to hold it and being careful in a way that it doesn't overlap the one underneath and it's staying on the same lane or position. Okay, let me put it that way. So I'll keep doing it until I get to the end. So now I'm through with this part. You see the way the thing came out. So now with the stripe, now I'll just cut out some aspects of the remaining material and form a stripe. So is what I'm just trying to knit over there. So now I'm going to attach the stripe to the two edges of the what will I call it, the crown. So I'm just sewing it, stitching it. So now this is it. Look at our crown. See the way it's already formed. So now that is the first part. See the base. The base actually I've already I've done it already off camera. So if you don't know how to do your base auto gele, I'll put a link in the description box below. Go and watch my other tutorials on my auto gele videos to know more about how to do your base. So I'll just put the crown on top of the base and stitch it like the way you see me doing over there. I'll just sew it like that to the base. So after I'm through with the front, I will now stitch the back too. The same way I stitched the front is the same way I will stitch the back. I will sew it to the end, just the same way I did for the front. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share with your family, with your friends, and subscribe if you are new here for the first time. If you don't know how to do your base auto gele, I'll put a link in the description box. Click on it and go and watch it to understand more on how to do your auto gele base. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll just show you guys how I'm going to tie this auto gele. I'll just put it on my head like this, push my head to the back, put it on my head like this. See? So after it's been placed on my head, I'll turn to the back. You see this stripe here? I take it in like this. Then take this one like this. And tie. And this one, you take this one like this. Okay. So this is the crown auto gele. Let's move it to the back. See the way it's looking nice. See? Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. So if you do enjoy this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel. Hoping to see you all in my next one. Bye.